In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Microsoft Edge cache on Windows 11. Clearing your browser cache is a quick way to fix website display issues, free up a bit of space, and make sure you're seeing the most up-to-date version of a page. The cache stores copies of images, scripts, and other site files to help pages load faster next time. That's helpful most of the time, but it can also cause problems if those saved files become outdated or corrupted. Here's how to safely clear just the cache in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 PC. Once Edge is up, look to the very top right corner of the window for the three-dot menu icon. This is the Settings and More menu. Click it to open the drop-down. From that menu, click Settings. This opens Edge's Settings page in a new tab. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections. Click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Edge groups all of the privacy and data control options. Scroll slightly if you need to, and find the Clear Browsing Data section. Under that, click Choose What to Clear. A small panel will appear with options that control exactly what gets removed. At the top of that panel, set the time range. If you want to completely refresh your cache, choose All Time. That clears cached files from the entire history of your browser. If you only want to target a shorter window, say if a site just started acting up today, you can pick Last Hour or Last 24 hours instead. All Time is the most thorough choice when you're troubleshooting. Next, make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. This is the item that removes the temporary site files we're targeting. If your goal is to clear only the cache, uncheck everything else in the list. Leaving other items off ensures your browsing history stays intact and you remain signed into sites because cookies and passwords aren't touched. When you're ready, click Clear Now. Edge will process the request, and depending on how much has built up, it might take a few moments. When it's done, there won't be a big confirmation banner. Your cache is simply cleared. Afterward, the first time you revisit your favorite sites, they may load a bit slower than usual because Edge is downloading fresh copies of those images and files. That's expected and will speed back up as the cache repopulates. If a page was misbehaving before, a refresh should now display the latest version correctly. And that's it. You've cleared the Microsoft Edge cache on Windows 11 safely and precisely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.